There's a reason that some people are getting 10x more value from Claude Cowork than everyone else. It's not better prompts, it's not a secret use case, it's knowing how to stack 7 specific features into one system. Something that most tutorials don't even touch. I've spent 100+ hours building with Cowork, and in this video, I'm showing you everything. We are going to be building a research automation that processes multiple topics in parallel, remembers your priorities, and runs every morning on autopilot. Skills, memory, schedule tasks, connectors, plugins, sub-agents, and multitasking. By the end of this video, you'll see, or should I say you'll have, a working system that delivers a full intelligence report before you even wake up. Every template and prompt that I use in today's video is all free, and they are all in our free school community. The link is down in the description, but right now, let's get into it. Okay, so let's get to the basics, okay? Or should I say, let's get the basics out of the way fast. Here's Claude Cowork in one sentence. It's Claude, but it can see your files, connect to your apps, run on autopilot, and remember everything about you. There are 5 building blocks you need to understand. Folders are your project's containers. Skills are reusable instructions. Memory is persistent context, so Claude remembers you. Connectors are bridges to external apps like Notion and Slack, and automation means scheduled tasks plus parallel workflow. Here's what we are doing instead. We are building a complete research automation system. Each section adds one piece, and by the end, you'll see it all running together, researching multiple topics, organizing findings, and delivering a complete intelligence report automatically. Now, let's go. First piece is skills. So, what is a skill exactly? It's a saved set of instructions that Claude follows every time you trigger it. Think of it like training an employee. You write the playbook once, they execute it forever. You don't have to repeat yourself over and over, and that is the powerful move over here. Now, let me show you by building one live. We are creating a research analyzer skill. This will take articles, videos, and sources on a topic and extract the key insights, the trends, and the actionable takeaways. Here's the quick process. First, define your goal, analyze research sources, and extract structured insights. Second, set the inputs. It needs URL transcripts or documents. Third, write the instructions. I'm telling Claude exactly how to identify key trends, what makes something actionable versus just interesting, and how to structure the output with categories like emerging trends, key statistics, and strategic implications. Fourth, test and refine. I'm feeding it 5 articles about AI automation right now. Don't believe me? Then watch this. Okay, it just analyzed all 5. It pulled out emerging trends, it flagged key statistics with sources, and it identified strategic implications for businesses. That's exactly right. This is piece number 1 of our automation. And as you can see, it works. But here's the thing. You don't have to build every skill from scratch. There are pre-built templates you can steal. Competitor analysis frameworks, market research extractors, content summarizers. You grab these, you customize them, and you are off to the races. One more thing that I need to mention, commands. Commands lets you chain multiple skills together. So instead of running 3 skills manually, you can create one / command that triggers all 3 in sequence. We'll use this later on in the video, but right now, this skill is generic. It doesn't know anything about me, my business, or what research actually matters to me. I think we need to fix that. Now, before we set up memory in Claude, there's one other AI tool that you need to know about if you make any kind of content. YouTube Shorts, ads, whatever it is, you need Higgsfield. Higgsfield is an AI-powered video and image platform. Text to video, image to video, cinematic camera presets, VFX, face swaps, AI studio with voiceover and translation. It's basically an entire production studio in one browser tab. And it runs all the top models: Veo, Kling, Sawyer, the best thing is you are not locked into one. But here's the feature that absolutely blew my mind. It's called shots. You can upload one single photo and Higgsfield generates 9 unique cinematic angles from that one image. Wide shot, close up, over the shoulder, low angle, a full storyboard just from one picture. Think about that for a second. You take one thumbnail photo, you hit run, and you've got 9 different shots that you can use for intros, B-rolls, social clips, whatever you want to. That used to take a photographer, a studio, and half a day of taking pictures. Now, it takes about 10 seconds. If you're a creator and you're not using this, you are working way too hard. The link to Higgsfield is in the description below. Go and play with it and check it out. Now, let's get back to the build. Here's the problem. Skill works, but it doesn't know your industry, your competitors, or your strategic priorities. It's treating every piece of research the same way. And that's not how a real research assistant works. A real assistant knows what matters to you. That's where memory comes in. So I'm going into settings and then Cowork and setting up my global instructions. This is Claude's persistent memory. It reads this every single session. I'm adding my role and information about my AI business. Now I'm also getting folder instructions for the specific research folder. And this tells Claude when you are working in this folder, when you are doing research, and then it will use the research analyzer skill by default. Prioritize sources from the last 7 days and always tag findings by category. Now, take a look at what happens when I run the same 5 articles through the updated skill. Look at that. Just take a look at that. It now knows that the article about Claude's new features is critical because it directly impacts my business. It flagged a competitor and it deprioritized the general AI news that doesn't affect my strategy. Before, it would have treated everything equally. Now, it's my research assistant. That's piece number 2 of all of this. Memory makes everything so personal. Alright, so the skill works and it now knows me, but I don't want to manually research topics every day. I want everything on autopilot. That's where scheduled tasks come in. I'm taking this research analyzer skill and setting it to run every day at 6 a.m. I mean, just take a look at the interface over here. I can choose hourly, daily, weekly, or manual. I'm going daily at 6 a.m. Now, there is one limitation. Your computer needs to be on for this to run. It's local, not cloud-based, but that's fine for most people. And there, it's now scheduled. That is piece number 3. That is the autopilot feature. Every morning at 6 a.m., this runs without me touching anything. But here's where it gets even better, and that is multitasking. I can queue multiple tasks at once, and they all run in parallel. Take a look at this. I'm starting 3 tasks right now, researching AI automation trends, analyzing competitor content, and pulling industry statistics. Now, let's take a look at the sidebar. All 3 are running simultaneously. I'm not waiting for one to finish before starting the next. They are all happening at the same exact time. This is how you 10x your output. While one task researches trends, another analyzes competitors, another pulls data. There's no waiting on your side. That's piece number 4, parallel processing. But right now, this is all happening locally in Claude. Let's connect it to your actual apps. And in order to connect it to your apps, you are going to need to use connectors. Connectors lets Claude read from and write to external apps. This is where it stops being a demo and it starts being your actual system. I'm installing 3 connectors right now. First, Notion, so Claude can save all of my research findings to my Notion database automatically. I'm authorizing it now, standard OAuth flow, and done. Second, we are doing Slack so that I get notifications when the research report is ready. Okay, authorizing and done. Third, we have Zapier MCP, and this is actually the cheat code. Zapier's MCP connector gives Claude access to over 8,000 apps. I can now update my CRM, my project management tool, whatever I need. These are pieces 5, 6, and also 7. Now, I'm updating the research analyzer skill to use these connectors, plus Cowork's built-in web search. Instead of me feeding it articles manually, it's going to use web search to find the latest information on my research topics. It's going to save all my findings to Notion research database with proper tags and categories. And it's going to post a summary to Slack when it's all done. I'm adding these steps to the skills right now. Okay, now it's time for us to test all of this out. I'm running the updated skill with the topic Claude Code New Features 2026. And now take a look at this. I just searched the web for the latest Claude updates, found 8 relevant sources, analyzed them. It created a new page in my Notion database with all the findings properly categorized and posted to Slack. This is now connected to my real workflow. This is the power of connectors. Now we are done with that. We've built the solid system, but what if you don't want to build everything from scratch? That's where plugins come in. Plugins are pre-packaged bundles of skills, commands, connectors, and agents. Think of them as departments in your AI company. I'm installing the productivity plugin right now, and look at this. It just added a bunch of skills instantly: task management, workflow coordination, calendar optimization, research synthesis, all pre-built. Instead of spending hours building these, I installed one plugin, and that is now piece number 8. Now here's the big one, okay? And that is sub-agents. This is what unlocks enterprise level scale. Sub-agents are mini Claudes that Claude spawns to work in parallel. Now, let me show you what all this means. I'm giving Claude my list of 10 research topics, and I'm telling it, research all of these topics in parallel. Okay, now we have 10 different topics: AI automation tools, creator economy trends, Claude updates, competitor analysis, and 6 more. Watch the sidebar over here. Just take a look at that. Claude just broke this into parallel works then, each one tackling a different topic simultaneously using web search. And this isn't sequential. This is true parallel processing. One sub-agent is researching AI automation tools, another is analyzing creator economy trends, another is pulling Claude updates. All is happening right now. And look, they are all done. 10 topics fully researched in under 2 minutes. Without sub-agents, this would have taken me about 20 minutes minimum. This is how you handle bulk research, analyzing dozens of competitors, researching hundreds of keywords, pulling data from dozens of sources. Sub-agents makes all of it possible. And that piece that's number 9. Now let's bring it all together. We've built 9 pieces: a skill memory, scheduled tasks, multitasking, 3 connectors, a plugin, and sub-agents. That's 9 pieces in just one system. Now let me show you what I promised at the beginning of this video: an automation that delivers a fully researched, organized intelligence report every morning before we even wake up. Let's watch the complete system run. Take a look at the sidebar. As the agents work simultaneously, finding sources, extracting insights, flagging what's urgent, and deprioritizing what's not, everything compiles straight into my Notion database. Categorized, tagged, and organized, and then Slack just posted the morning briefing. And while this was running, 2 other tasks finished in the background. Now, if I'm counting this correctly, that's 3+ hours of research done in under 3 minutes. Every single day on autopilot. While you sleep, that's the system. That's what Claude Cowork actually unlocks for you. That is the whole system. You just watched an AI research team get built from scratch. Skills, memory, connectors, sub-agents, all of it. And the best part is that it runs every single morning without you ever even lifting a finger. That's 3 hours of work done in just 3 minutes. While you are sleeping, this is getting done. That's not the future. That's right now. But here's the thing. What we built today, that's just one workflow. Imagine plugging this into sales prospecting, content creation, client onboarding. the people doing that right now. And if you want to start building, join our free school community. The link is down in the description below. You'll get every template, every skill, every plugin from this video ready to copy, making it even easier for you. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video. Also subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on another video. And I will catch you on the next one.